of this situation, as you came out of the corona situation, hale and hearty, as a type 1 diabetic, how confident were you managing yourself? How much of anxiety was there? Did you find the need to connect with anybody, some doctor, to ask your doubts, or you felt that you can manage your diabetes on your own? Sachin?
Yeah. So, like, I would like to say, like, managing regarding sugars, I didn't connect it to anyone because I am doing it from past almost 30 years. So I knew I need how to deal with diabetes. Just being corona, so I took it like a sick day, and I managed it like in the same scenario. So I was able to manage it properly. Hence, I didn't contacted any doctors at that time for diabetes.
Hmm.
So I knew like we have been taught how to manage our diet, sugar, and insulin. Even exercise, but not in this scenario. Exercise was not a part in Corona.
Right.
So basically, these three things I knew how to manage: sugar, diet, and insulin.
Great.
And the new thing which was added was mental health. So because there was a I was given HCQs, so it makes very fatigue. Like your body is very headache. You have headache. Your body gets weak, or you get some symptoms, heaviness symptoms for your whole body. So uh, to recover from mental health, I used to divert my mind to some entertainment stuff like mobile, using mobiles, TV, electronic media, or when most of the time I took rest, like sleeping and sleeping. I took most of the time I used to sleep basically.
Lovely. So you
So
managed it like a sick day and you kept your mind calm
yeah,
and diverted rather.
I diverted my mind basically to electronic media and
Of
took
course.
rest most of the time.
How did you sail through, Raj?
Actually, I had touch with Dr. Anushri Mehta. तो जैसे मेरे रिपोर्ट से मैंने उनको जस्ट ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेशन किया, मुझे ये ऐसे कोविड हुआ है और ये मेडिकेशंस मुझे डॉक्टर्स ने दी है. बीइंग टाइप 1 डायबिटिक, मतलब इसके अगर कोई साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं है ना, कैन आई टेक दिस और नॉट, और शुड आई चेंज इट. तो उसके लिए मैंने उनको उनसे टच में था, तो उन्होंने सिर्फ इतना ही बोला कि सी तेरे रिपोर्ट्स काफी नॉर्मल है, तेरी रिकवरी भी अच्छी हो रही है, जस्ट टेक कार्ब काउंटिंग और तेरा इंसुलिन का जो है उस हिसाब से तू रखना. शुगर्स जितने नॉर्मल रहेंगे बिलो 200 उतना तेरे लिए बेटर है. जस्ट एक वो एक जस्ट टू इन्फॉर्म हर कि भाई मुझे ऐसा ऐसा है.
Absolutely.
हाँ, बिकॉज आपके वो डॉक्टर को पता होना चाहिए जो आपको ट्रीट कर रहे हैं कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो एट द टाइम एक्शन ले सके अगर आपको कुछ इमरजेंसी हो तो.
Absolutely. And
और
Babita, in your case?
Honestly, I thought that when I go to Seven Hills, there will be some diabetologists who will be coming to me, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. And जो staff था, like suppose there's a type 2 diabetic who's next to me, and उनके sugars अगर 103 आ रहा है, तो उनको बोलते थे dinner के बाद आप वो दवाई मत लेना, you know that diabetes की जो दवाई है, वो further down हो जाएगा. वो सेम एडवाइस वो लोग मुझे भी दे रहे थे जब मेरा शुगर 105 था. आई एम लाइक okay fine, you know, let me handle this, because they were asking me not to take any insulin before dinner, you know, because
So
my
Babita,
sugar,
you did not connect with anybody to manage
I
your sugar.
first 2 days honestly I was not in that mind frame, and I thought there will be a specialist doctor there who will be
So, so by
attending
the time
me.
you realized that there was no one, yet you managed on your own.
Yeah, because from third day I found that there was no real spikes or anything that was happening to me that I really needed to, you know, contact anybody. But in case if
Absolutely.
yes, I had the emergency numbers in my hand.
And
Uh,
what about anxiety, worry?
Anxiety was on top level, because you know stress is one thing that you know causes you on the other world only, because you know you yourself, the family is scattered, and plus the baby. I really did not have any time to rest or anything like that. But yeah, like there was, you know, I used to play with him and I used to be diverted and stuff. But one thing that he said, you know, Sachin, that mental health is really important, you know, because I can see the effects in my mom right now, and depression is one after symptom of COVID, you know, that many people are facing, and I know, like you know, it really takes a toll on your health completely, especially your mental health. So
Right.
Yeah, and I can see that in my mom right now. Like she's very
Absolutely.
chup chap, and like
So that recovery is not just at the physical level, but the mental trauma as well takes time to recover.
Yes, yes.
Raj, you were about to say something and I cut you short.
Nothing, it's just about mental health. Like मुझे पता था कि आई वॉज मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि भाई अभी इतने दिन के लिए तो अंदर जाना ही है. तो तभी मुझे मनोज अंकल की एक बात अच्छी याद आ गई, जो हमेशा हमें समर कैंप विंटर कैंप में बताते कि जो चीज तुम्हारे हाथ में है तुम वो करो, जो चीज तुम्हारे हाथ में है ही नहीं उसके बारे में सोच के भी क्या फायदा.
Right.
तो वो तुम्हारा स्ट्रेस और बढ़ेगा. आई न्यू कि भाई मुझे 7 दिन अंदर रहना है तो रहना ही है. आई वॉज मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड. तो वो एक मुझे काफी रिकवरी में उसने हेल्प की, बेटर
Yes.
रिकवरी में. और मैं
Yes.
ज्यादा फिजिकली फिट होने लगा उसकी वजह से. ओके, आई वाज एक्टिव. जनरली कोविड पेशेंट को इतनी वीकनेस होती है कि वो हाफ एन आवर घर पे वॉक नहीं कर सकते. मैं दिन में 3-3 बार हाफ एन आवर वॉक करता था मेरे एवरी मील के बाद. और
Good.
जितने भी लोगों से कनेक्ट करता था वीडियो कॉल थ्रू, कजिन्स है, फ्रेंड्स है, कि कोई ये नहीं बोलता था कि यार तुझे कोविड है या तेरे में कोई सिम्टम्स दिख रहा है,
Absolutely.
यू आर
Absolutely.
वेरी फिट. तो वो एक
So
चीज ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प की.
lovely.